Hey, Johnny Dang, IGTV foodie. We are in Sacramento, downtown Sacramento, and we're here at Crew tonight, omakase style. So come check us out. All right, peace. You notice what's a good restaurant is more like all you hear is people talking, chattering. You don't hear people complaining. You just hear people in motion and what they do. Like everyone's in their zone. Like I'm doing what I do. So we got cucumber, we got kombu, some sort of edible flowers. We got ebi, cucumber, ikura. Ikura is like the best. I mean, salmon roll, fish eggs, salmon eggs. Pretty much that's what it is, but it's marinated in house. But the taste of it, it's not fishy. It's just amazing. Super amazing.
Pickled celery, little blackberry, Boston onion, almond, toasted almond, and this is a kinome, little sacho. Lightly blanched, marinated in sake, mirin, and soy. 6 different types of seaweed, great wasabi. We got a little more soy if you like.
Okay. All right, cool. Thanks. Cool. This one will go first. So,
Really, right?
yeah. Oh, shoot! I gotta take a picture. Before I do it. All right. Cheers. Oysters, huh?
Oyster first?
Yeah. He said oyster first. Come on, cheers. Let's go.
Oyster, biscuit, and then
Oyster.
Oh, shit. What's this? What we
So
got?
we have a seasonal sorbet as a palate cleanser.
So cucumber sorbet with red sea salt dust that cleans your palate. So then we're going on to the next course. But a lot of times when we eat sushi, like we want to clean your palate, we eat the ginger. But I guess this is something different. I've never had it. Oh, you got it? Go. Ready, set, go.
nah, go ahead, Johnny.
We got a carrot soup with olive oil, yuzu, fennel, and blossoms. There we go. So the thing is, like when you eat omakase, like you really need to do chopsticks. When you go traditional, you gotta use your hands, and it's always one bite. That's what I'm saying. Rub it.
On top is the eggs from that same fish,
Right.
cooked with ginger, soy, and sake.
Okay.
What did you do to the egg?
It's cooked with ginger, soy, and sake.
Yes, Johnny.
So keep it high. Golden eye snapper from Japan.
Yep,
Okay. All right.
very similar.
Oh my god.
Johnny has to Google it. He doesn't know what he's eating.
Okay, Billy. All right, I want to jump. Yo, Billy, can you spell her fish for me? Please. English. O-P-A-L. Okay, I got you. Okay. Oh, yeah. I got you. Oppa. That's what it is. Wemsa. Oppa. Wemsa. Where's Hotate from? Hotate? Okay. Hokkaido scallops. Japan. Okay, lime juice and sea salt? It's like, it has potential. It's like, the thing is like, when do you want to try it? When do you want to have a bad experience about fish? When do you want to learn the flavor of it? It's like, you have to eat in order for you to understand it, you know what I mean? Because if you don't eat, how are you going to understand the flavor? You can't just go, oh, because that guy said it, but everyone's palate is so different. Whereas like with all of us, we all have different palate. We eat it so differently. For someone to not understand the flavor, you gotta try it.
All right. This is your 20th dish.
Yeah, my 20th. Toro from Japan. All right, here we go. So rich. I mean, amazing. It's not fishy. It just totally melts in your mouth. Listen. What is that on top? White soy holiday. Interesting. Yeah. like super gorgeous.
Yeah, house cooked octopus in Spain. That's what from me. And then you know that
They're so good. So we got king mackerel, fried leeks, snap peas, mushrooms, and a dashi. What kind of oysters? Billy, what's in the sauce? You know? Garlic ponzu? Okay. All right, what we got is tonkotsu ramen here. We're at Crew again. We got pork belly. We got the house egg. We call it jidori. We got sesame, negi, which is green onion, nori, and of course we got the awesome pork belly. Tonkotsu pork broth. You gotta check it out. You gotta break the yolk, mix it up. It's amazing. The broth is really important. Texture of noodle is amazing. All the add-ons, it's all the add-ons, but importantly, texture of noodle has to go with the broth. That's my opinion. This is how we eat ramen. You see that egg right there? You gotta break the egg and stir it up. You gotta stir it up right there. And then the thing about it is Japan is like, you can slurp all day, slurp all you want. What I mean by slurp is this, okay? Bring up your noodle, you eat it, you go like this. And the thing is, forget the spoon, close the bowl, and you slurp some more. Don't be shy. Have some good ramen, please.
Happy birthday, dear Anno. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Hey guys, Johnny, IGTV. We're finally done with Crew. Tune in next couple weeks. We're going to No Reservation. Any of y'all foodies in Stockton, hit me up. We can all go. All right, peace.